Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your app's API-based URL using environment configs, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by opening your development environment. Locate the configuration files for your application. These files typically include environment-specific settings. Identify the appropriate environment config file for the environment you want to update. This might be a file named .env, config.js, or similar. Open the file using a text editor. Search for the existing API-based URL within the config file. This is usually a variable named something like API_base_URL. Replace the current URL with the new API-based URL you want to use. Ensure that the new URL is correctly formatted and includes the protocol, like http:// or https://. Save the changes to the configuration file. Next, navigate to the file where your app initializes the API connection. This is often done in a service or utility file. Update the API initialization code to read the new base URL from the environment config. If you're using a framework, refer to the documentation on accessing environment variables. Test your application locally to ensure the new API-based URL is being used. Check the console or network logs for any errors related to API calls. If everything is functioning correctly, prepare to deploy your changes to the production environment. Once deployed, verify that the app is hitting the new API-based URL in production. Monitor for any issues that may arise following the update. That concludes the tutorial on updating your app's API-based URL using environment configs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.